Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and taste the Loison Panettone Classico. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a loaf of Loison Panettone Classico, and it has a weight of 500 grams. And just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And there is some nutrition facts or nutritional data or nutrition information of the Panettone Classico. And once again, we see the nutrition data on the side. And taking a look top down, there is a carry ribbon on top of the box packaging. And taking a look at the bottom or underside of the box, there is an ingredients list in various languages and some other information. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by tearing open the box flap on the bottom. And giving you a look directly inside of the box. Let's tip the Panettone Classico out. And let's close the box back up. And we'll set it on the side, so we'll set it on the right hand side of the tabletop. And now giving you a look at the Loison Panettone Classico straight out of its box packaging. So we're just going to leave it there so you can see the 500 gram loaf of Panettone Classico, and just resting it in my palm to give you some sense of its size. And now taking a closer in look at the wrapped up Panettone Classico by Loison. So you can see there is some information for the Panettone on the clear packaging of the Panettone. And now let's go ahead and open it up so we can see that there is a metal clip keeping the bag sealed, so just being careful here to unfold the clip. Without injuring oneself. So there we go. Just bending that metal clip off, and just going to put it to the side. And let's go ahead and slide the Panettone Classico out from its wrapper. So just setting it down now, so now you have a much clearer look at the Panettone, and you can see it does have a dark brown color as well as some lighter shades of brown and yellow on the upper crust or top of the Panettone. and giving you a look at the paper mold as well. You can see the Loison Pasticceri dal 1938 printed on the paper mold in the gold print. And of course taking a look at the bottom as well, so we can see a wafer type wall grid style paper bottom. And once again taking a look from the top, and of course resting it in my palm once again, giving you a sense of the size of the Panettoni, having a weight of 500 grams. And now taking a much closer in look at the details, we can see the candied fruit pieces. So we can see what appears to be candied orange, as well as the raisins as well, dotted on the top crust of the panettone. So you can see the overall texture and colouring of this panettone. And let's peel down the paper mold so you have a better look at the whole panettone. So they're just tearing the mold off, and you can see now the naked Panettone Classico. And giving you a look at the bits of the panettone that's stuck on the mold, and the raisin right there. And now giving you another look, this time as it is with the paper mold removed, so you can see the bottom of this panettone. Now let's take a much closer in look. So right there you can see the details up close and right throughout. Even the bottom we can see, and the sides of as well, the various pieces of candied fruit. Scattered right throughout the panettone. And let's peel off this remnant of the paper mold as well. And now let's tear the panettone apart. So you can see now the inside's very fluffy with a light yellow colouring on the inside. And of course some of the candied fruit pieces as well. So you can see the crust dark brown, and the inside with that light yellow colouring. And now let's go ahead and tear a smaller piece off. and taste it. So really soft and mild in sweetness, and with a very moist candied fruit pieces, very soft to chew on as well, so nearly melt in one's mouth type of experience. And now let's peel off another piece, this time from the side. And giving you a look so you can see the very many pieces of raisins or sultanas. Now let's pop this large piece in. So very delicate in texture as well as flavor without any overpowering taste, so very soft, and the candied fruit pieces are very soft and nearly juicy as well, so very moist to chew on. So that's the Loison Panettone Classico. Thanks for watching and happy eating!